Hello, good morning. So the last couple times I streamed, I was using a YouTube playlist. Oh, Irie, welcome, welcome. And YouTube content ID'd the songs, and they're like, got mad at me for it, despite it not being a strike or anything. So I'm not gonna do that anymore. But also, I'm not gonna make you listen to the game music. I got music. It's 5 a.m. Time to look at numbers again. Yes. it's 6 a.m. Thank God. But it is time to look at numbers. Welcome, Terry. Welcome. Okay. That is enough of that song. Let's put on my old playlist. I do need to properly go through maybe get slightly less intense music. I also enjoy Twitch racistly not allowing me to say skill issues or anything at all. Really? Appears to be lagging. Oh. I tried setting it to ultra low latency, and I was gonna ask how that is, but it sounds not good. It doesn't seem like I can change it during stream though. Hopefully it will stabilize for you. Let me know if not. I might have to end stream and restart to be able to fix that, but I'm willing. I'm hoping, like, I know in other streams sometimes I've had that where it like lags a little bit at the beginning, but then it figures out like what's a good delay for me or something while I'm hanging out anyways. Yeah, hopefully it stops in like a minute or two for you. That's usually what happens for me. Right, we are continuing with the breeding algorithm. So hopefully I can switch back. I am in a different window right now. Or different, yep, okay, cool. I have two VS Code editors open. Oh, I don't want that one open. Well, I don't really care if it's open, but it's not the one you guys need to see. That's for Saturday. Okay, this one. This one. But yeah, I'll ask you in the stream if ultra low latency was not functional, but I have wanted to try it, so. Sorry. Restarted my YouTube and it appears to have stopped. Oh, that's good. Oh. Okay. Taking a Sudafed hopes I sound less funny. Alright. breeding. We left off here. So the idea for today is that I want to continue where we left off here in the main breeding algorithm after we do the inherent personality stuff. It calls these. I did a little bit of it, but not a whole lot. And I want to see more about like how does this all work? And hopefully we'll find the resistances. I'm realizing that I thought the resistance section was skills before, so I'm wondering if we already found it, and that's this function. So I'll look at this one again and we'll find out. Let's pause that. So we're looking for the label. Well, let's go ahead and jump here. Navigate, go to that. Go to destination. Well, I'm sure you'll love this. So I got a metal drac as third-party member and tried S-Class. I quickly realized I wasn't ready for it. And 2 was mostly Metal King reviving. Oh, round 2 was mostly Metal King reviving team. Oh, man. So you have a Metal Drac and a Metal King? Round 3 Metal Drac enemy slashes Medieval Roboster and himself to give me the win. Oh my gosh. Awesome. Did you confuse him or something? Or is Metal Drac just like that? I thought only Medieval was dumb like that. That's ridiculous, but it's a great win. Alright. Totally undeserved. But yeah, I got Metal Drac milking now. Nice. Well, just means some more prep for Starry Night than otherwise, right? Just use Massacre like 3 to 4 times in a row. I see. Front. Where exactly I jumped from here? Definitely not there. No clue. I don't remember what most of these are. Oh well, not a big deal. Just curious. Okay, this one. Let's go to... Well, okay, first of all, I wanted to see this. So CB29... Right, so what is CB29? In terms of... CB29 minus... We want... This one, CAC one. 68 is... is the resistances. So we did figure that out. before. Oh, that's frustrating. Okay, let's see. Did this really just copy them? Does it edit them afterwards? Well, I'm gonna trust that I wrote the code correctly. So it monster editor by index. So I guess realistically what this does then what was 1B? Is that the length? Oh, like, is that the real length? It's 27, yeah. Yeah, okay. So this, what? DA42 is... the pedigree? Okay, so that's what we need to learn, is what DA42 is. Oh, it might be the base monster. By the way, there's a Lamball VTuber model now, time to get replaced. Ah, cute. There's definitely a good deal of sheep VTubers. I watch a few of them. Alright, so... I'm gonna wait to name this until I can figure out what DA42 is. So first off, let's go there. And probably... I feel like I figured this out last time, but I don't remember what it was. I think it was the base stuff, and we didn't know what that table was exactly. For some reason, Palworld became super laggy for me now. Can't tell why. Oh no! Did it update? DA42. Here you go. Oh, that's... Oh. Ah. I just remembered why that watch point was there. That was from last time when we were figuring out this table. We figured out the start of the table. Okay, so this time we can figure out whose base stats it is. I assume it's the eggs, but let's do that. Well, hold on. I'll put a toggle point here. And then... yeah, I suppose we can look at both. Okay. Let's read. Do have mods, but I haven't added anything a few days ago, and it's now stuttering. Surely it updated a few days ago then. Either that, or you just have something running that it's not happy about. Our world's certainly not a very efficient game, which, you know, it runs okay. Is Suri the only female? Okay. Watch point hit rating 1 to... HL is 60d4. One thing that I found out so far is my laptop can't detect my NVIDIA GPU at all. Wow. Wild. So like, is this like a external USB GPU or something? So we want to see memory editor. I'm hoping this is the final one that's used, but we can take a quick look. I think I calculated the offsets in that table that I built last time here. Yeah. So what's the address? It is from 60d4. This table does not go to 60d4. Gaming laptop, yet when I open GeForce it says there's no NVIDIA GPU. Oh. I assume it's supposed to have one, but I mean, you check the specs, right? Worst case, I guess it melted. Whoop, not that button. What is... Well, let's go to... $60d4. There we go. That's a 6 on a 1. Oh. That's the value, not the bank. I'm stupid. So what's the bank? 3. 360d4. Here we go. Sure seems like the same table. Does this have more entries than I thought? Looks like it should go down to 6980. Let's look at the table. Well, 6980, the non-Game Boy address of this would be what? So it'd be 3 times OX 4000. And we minus OX 4000. Right? Or wait, no. Huh? Yeah, I think so. So it'd be like that, I think. I'm gonna check in a hex editor, but I think that's maybe right. Go to E whatever. Oh, it's so big. X E 980. Well, that doesn't look right. Let's try that. You know what? Let's do it the other way. C461. Oh, it doesn't look right because of the table file. Right, that makes sense. E980. That does actually look fine. Okay, we did it right. E9. 980 minus C whatever, and then divide that by however big these table entries are. 15 plus 27 plus 1. Yeah, I don't want to do it in my head. Are you kidding me? 221. There are more than I thought. Okay, let's dump that again. So that should be... what was in here is DWM Python dump to... What? No, don't do that. Python. I don't think I need to pass anything. Right, okay. By the way, I got to level 40 and got to ride Grizzle. Let's just say the place where your character stands next to Zoe is very sus. I'm not surprised. I figured it'd be pretty overlapping. Alright. What? Reload it. Oh, it's here. Table 2. Why does it still only go to 156? Did I not save it? I saved it. What's your problem? An error. Oh, I ran dump 1. So dumb. Okay. Hold on. Okay. Now we can see 60D4. 60D4 would be after C4 here. So ID 169. 169 is we look for Jerry. Not in ROM, we'll look for it in RAM. See, we have the ID is Monster ID 09. $169. Okay, so that is the pedigrees. So that is literally just copy copy resistances. Our size on distances lengthen B. Pedigree address of pedigrees base resistances. Oh, I did that, but I should play first and see if it does from someone else. 4EB0. See, it did it from someone else. There's probably more to this. 4EB0. That's gonna be... I'm so glad I put this address column. Oh my god. 4EB0 should be 61. That's probably FRAT. Oh, FRAT's right there. $61. Yep. 60D4. That was Jerry again, right? I think so. Which, don't remember if that's White King or what. Copied it again. Okay. Okay. We will see. We will see. Okay. 60 D4. F right again. Jerry again. F right again. Jerry again. New one. 5ED0. Is that pewter pup? 5E D0 here. 157. It's not overlapping. Your character's head is below Zoe's butt. Oh my gosh. Not sure if worse. Okay, let's find the egg location. That's CB29. I'm curious why it's copying over the base resistances of the other two so much. I wonder if it's doing some sort of calculation with them elsewhere. We're probably gonna have to look into that. But for now, let's go to you. Navigate, go to. Huh? Okay, CB29. This should be the start, I believe. Doesn't look like it's written the ID yet. Bit strange. It's the right location, right? Maybe not. Then what? Oh, that's the other block of stuff. Okay, fair enough. Which is where? $31. 49. Oh, that's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for this 49. Oh. Why is it overriding pole? Oh, it's selectable monster 1. Right. Okay. It's not overriding pole, it's just... I mean the selectable monster, so that's 9, so that's... wherever the heck that is. CIC1. Somehow I have those memorized. No. Oh, those are right anyways. Pretty sure. Yeah. C, F, F, E. But that's bazooka. Did I get the base just wrong? No. Ekdoko. You know what? I'm just gonna write down the number and we'll figure it out later. So 5ED0 was 157. I think I started resistance section, but I can. Oh, I almost hit mutant time. Think of it like she's getting a shoulder ride from Griswold, you're getting a piggyback ride. Yeah, that's how I was thinking of it. Okay. Oh. Different watch point? Oh no. Yeah, no, wait, huh? Yeah, no? Oh. EA42. Oh, it's reading from there. Ah. And then putting it into D066. I just realized that this isn't. Oops. Navigate, go to cart instruction. Is this the... Oh, is this the label? Down, 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 down. 58227, 58227. Yeah, okay. So that was where we wanted. Then we can look at HLD066 so we can know where that is and skip doing calculations. D066 here. What? It really is bazooka? How strange. So I'm gonna see if there's a couple bazookas in RAM or something. Yep, there's one at D1 something or other. Weird. Oh, but this says 0 before it, so this is just like trash monster info. It's not like real monster info. Stream is now 2 minutes and 40 seconds behind. Maybe it didn't get better for me. Yeah, I'll be a little behind. But that's probably about what it's usually behind. I would assume. It's just less obvious about that. Also, I will say that Stream Elements is a bit slow at updating the chat. And in my window too. So like when you say something, you would think it would appear immediately in like my my stream software, but it doesn't. It so there's extra latency just because of Stream Elements. I wouldn't know the best way to time things, but alright. So this is some old data. We don't know what's been set. Well, we do know what's been set, I guess. Source SRAM. Alrighty. Huh. Okay, what's 9 in? 10 bytes. This. O2. SRAM. So it hasn't written the ID yet. Let me look at the list I have. I believe I have a list of monster indexes, perhaps? Yes. Maybe? Yeah, it should be good. 157 and hex is 90. Make sure I'm not crazy. 157. 90. 90 is Linux. PewterPup is 2D or EF. Huh. Very strange. So for now, let's just say some ones. Base resistances. Alright, address of current resistances in HL. Absoluted? What's the word? By That way we can change this to like a monster table entry and a selectable monster. Wouldn't mind if it was pausing to buffer, but it's 0.5 seconds, very short pause. 0.5 seconds, very short pause. Never done this before. I guess I won't use ultra low latency again then, if it's that much of a problem. Sorry. Alright. We can just return... Not return, say mon.resistances equals d.resistances. That works. As for... I'll put that there so I don't forget. Still need to figure out what exactly is going on here. Whose are those? Who is 157? Why is it Linux? Is it really Linux? We don't know. We don't know. What I can do though is put a watch point there. Then we can find out. 60D4. Oh, that's the base stuff again? Why is it reading that? Writing it to DA42. Oh, is this the new one? Let me see. Resistances is offset. $68. $104. Need to go 105 here. Find. Ugh. And here, yeah, that's the ID, 62. Is that Pewter Pup? 3E? No. 3E is Gulple. Huh? Four E B0 into DA42. Oh wait, DA42 is just the. Oh, never mind. It doesn't have to do anything with anything. It's not monster data, that's monster table entry data. Oh, you fixed it. Nice. The PAL World FPS, I assume. Or no, the NVIDIA? Going to from CFFD. Oh. Reading it. Copying it to A737. Nice, nice. I'm getting lost, that's for sure. Reload. Or wait, not reload. Why don't I do that? State, load state. That's what I want. Base bazooka. No, we want to do. Whoops. Jerry and Efrat, so I remember the numbers. Jerry, Efrat. Jerry. Efrat, Jerry. Okay. Bring to CFFD. What is it writing? Oh, reading. Why is it reading from it? Hold on. I'm pretty sure I noted at some point where the egg ends up. Not in a way that I can translate to numbers easily. Okay, put it in the HLCF6. 8. EFFT. Oh, this seems to be swapping two monster entries. It's copying the old value into here, copying the new value into here, putting the new value where the old value was, and then putting the old... Wait. Yeah, putting the old value into this location. You've seen Mosanda's animations. When he builds, he is holding a tiny hammer with 2 fingers. I haven't seen them. I don't know who Musanda is. The FFD. Right. We're copying those a lot. DA42. There's a green panda and there's a yellow alt for him. Someone defies gravity by falling down at the speed of 1 centimeter per second. Huh. Ugh. As a glider. DA42 is his. Just copying one to the other, I guess. DA42 is... Oh. DA42 is resistances, right? It seems to be doing some sort of calculation here, though. Could be useful. Oh no, this is calculating addresses. Okay, 5E, D0 again. You'd think that would have to be Pewter Pup, but... $157, 5ED0. Okay, step into... Just need to do that. D0FB. So that should be... I believe the start. So that would be... Crap, what was the number? 104. 104 back is here. Oh, here. 10 in is here. 90, 157. Oh my god, there we go. Okay. This is the one we want. So, it is Pewter Pups, I guess. Hi Fifth, welcome. Ground mount with grenade launchers also at 7 a.m. Time for gotta be a responsible, productive member of society. No! If you see it on my schedule, it says I'm going to 8 a.m. And that's what I plan to do. Morning, Pet Bazooka. Welcome. Wait, I don't need these anymore. So let's... How do I delete them? Can I just uncheck them? Oh, I think oh, I don't have the right mouse selected. Hold on. There we go. Now I can delete. There we go. There we go. I have delete on my mouse instead of on my keyboard. Okay. So we have finally confirmed that this is the base base stats of the eggs. Eggs, base resistances, whatever. So I'll call it copy base resistances then, which I probably should have already. Do we know the ID? Have I placed the ID in here? Was it unknown too? Yeah. This should be let's call it ID. That's weird. Oh, this confirms, does this? I was thinking it might confirm something else, but, no, I have those set anyways, 15 and 16. That is after the master name? Let me see. Oh, I think there's a lot that I haven't copied over yet. Monster ID and then question mark. And then the one before the master name is the gender. Stop. Gender. Then the one after the master name is a question mark, and the one after that is the pedigree unknown one and the monster unknown one. So this is pedigree ID. and other ID. Sounds a little confusing, but hopefully that's fine. I really wish I had a better name than other, but I don't. Mate, maybe? It doesn't sound like the noun. Okay, so copy-based resistances, we need the monster table. And we want the egg.id. And then we want egg, I believe. Yes. That's what this says. Perfect. Okay, that is part of the battle for figuring out resistances in breeding. I'm sure there's some sort of calculation after that. So let's figure that part out. First of all, what's this? DA72, don't recognize that number. I think Fifth and Bazooka weren't here for the Sasoi discussion. I guess I'll just keep pushing through this, though I would kind of like to know where those are next modified. Yeah, hold on. I'm gonna see where those are next modified. So these are the resistances, right? DA42. Let's do that. I suppose I should probably do the whole thing. How many bytes was it? 27? Pretty sure. Yeah. Okay. Let's step return. This will pop us out of this function. And now I can put that back on so that it breaks there. And we'll see where does it. Alright. Here we are in 58373. Called from 58360. Okay, so it was this one after all. Good to know, good to know. Pretty early up in it too, so this is actually right here, this part. Add a note reading resistances. So if it's 3, we return, so that means that 3 is probably the max. Though it does mean if you somehow got over 3, it would not return there. I don't know what that means yet, but we'll find out. Okay. Let's write everything out here. How far did we get? This A and 7 here. RC0, RC0. It's probably, yeah, jumping from this table. I already figured out that table and I didn't add any of the code. I just added the addresses, which, you know, reasonable. So if I did do go to that, it would end me up here. Okay, okay. Good stuff, good stuff. Let me see. 583 FC. Is that in the table? 583. No, so it's probably the one after this. Yep. Okay. Oh, and that has another table jump. It is a jump. Let me see if this is, if there's any other references to this. Nope. Just the one. Okay, so we can go ahead and place it directly in here. Call that for now. It should be fine. A equals RAM DA72 jump equals OXD6CD. Okay, HL plus equals A equals RAM HL, so that's probably similar to this, right? Yep. A equals this. And then push that, pop that, so it's the same code here, same exact code here. Probably it's just more or less a different table that it's jumping to, and the table obviously functions will probably do different things. I do hope this ends up being deterministic. Which means not random. That would be annoying if it was random. Alrighty, I'm going to assume that these are more or less in order. Same issue where 0, 1, 2, and 3 are empty. So slightly different number there. Then we have 4. So, alright, this is number 4. 4, 5, 6. Maybe that was supposed to be less than or equal to 3. So I didn't do an entry for 3. Hold on. Go take a quick look here. I believe that was that one. I'm dumb. Okay, that's fine. I can't do that. 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, we're up here. I'll say less than equal to 2, so it does make more sense to me for some reason. I don't know. It's irrelevant, but it makes more sense to me. So that's not 43B8, but... $16, 4429. Okay. And we have entries for, let's see, 1, 2, 3, so we have 4, 5, and 6. So we do need to figure out what these are all about at some point as well, but for now we can keep doing the code. Probably the pedigree and other resistances, like with the base resistance or something, I don't know, we'll figure it out. Sixth entry of jump table. Well, hold on. What's the eggs resistance? Well, that is important to know. Okay, so in the this case, 442A. The code looks like A equals RAM DA 77. That's actually just going straight into B. And A is being replaced with C8. And then we call label 58444. C8, sorry, and then surely also this. What? A and B. For now, and then we'll just return the condition as if it were C. Label. It might have more to it though, so I guess we'll find out. 46C. Go to destination. Let's see who looked at you. Lots. In roughly the same area, so it's probably the same functions. All for the resistances. Push call this. Do a division. Okay. Whoa. This one's called from a lot, so it's probably another math function. I would bet ya. Def. D0. Oh, label. 12D0. Okay. A equals RAM OX C899. That's going into H though. Oh, this is... That works. This is then... Oh, it moved it into HL and then it moved it straight into DE. That's so weird. I guess it wanted both though. Okay, okay, fair enough. Equals DE. So add HL plus equals HL. It's doing this again. It's gonna screw me up. Then HL. I'm gonna write it properly, and then we'll figure out what the heck it means. Okay, and then HL plus equals 1357. And then we put that back. Just remember there's a better way to do this. Int dot 2 bytes. Or I guess I can HL at 2 bytes, or we don't know that that's int. Okay. RAM is bytes IO. Oh, I just made it a bytes IO and I'm indexing it. Do I actually use that? Whoops. Functionality of it? I don't. Okay, I'm just gonna make this a byte array then. That's how I'm using it. I might have used rom dot though. No. Okay. Okay. So that should work without me doing that. Now, this, I believe what we can do is say int dot from bytes the 89B bytes little. And signed is false by default, right? Yeah, okay, good. Why did I use single quotes? I hate using single quotes. And for here, we can do the same sort of thing. We can say like this, and we can say 2 bytes. Too little. There we go. And that's it. Okay, so what does this do math-wise? HL plus equals HL plus equals HL. So that's, first of all, HL times 2, but then it times that by 2. Right? So, but then it does plus DE, which was the original HL. Since HL is inside, we can say plus HL here. So this can be removed, because that's how it works. So that's 4, and then we add HL, so that makes it another one, right? So it's 5. So HL times equals 5. Is that right? Did I do my algebra correctly? You guys can do algebra, right? You can at least you guys can at least help me there. HL, say HL equals, and give it a nice prime number. 21's not prime. 23 prime? I think 23 is prime. Say HL times 5. So if we said HL, and also copy it. So say HL plus equals HL. Yeah, did it. Don't look at me. Oh no. Don't worry, I relate. 1357. I do kind of want to know what that is, but for now I think that's fine. We'll probably figure it out. That seems to basically just, you put some base value in here and then it uses that as some sort of offset. Which, fair enough. So we can make this HL times 5 plus that. And then we called that from here, I think. Yeah, that was right. 58444. Okay. So that clobbered A, but it did not use A or B. Algebra easy, don't ask me about taxes though. I need to do my tax stuff. Oh yeah. Then it pulls the address from where it was set. You know what? I think I'm just gonna make this a function because I don't want to do this every time. Well, in here it would be called an H, right? I wonder if that's confusing. Just a little. Well, let's call it to buy it. Call this RAM 2 byte. But that we do need to set in again. Okay, fine. Byte array. Enter int. Two bytes, too little. It's really less typing. I think it's less reading. At least. What was that? Did I skip it? Yeah. I'm gonna say HL equals that. RAM. That. And we say set 2 byte int RAM that HL. Okay, cool. Now right, okay, we got that into HL, pops AF, and then does the div 16 by 8 to 16, which probably means it's dividing HL by A. I assume it's integer division. I should really name these functions the same. Div 16, I get rid of 16b. Returns a floored 16-bit value in HL. Yep, that's what it does. And then it compares huh? What goes in A when you do that division? Not the mod, is it? Might be. That is the mod. We're in this function right now though, right? So we'll find out. Actually, are we? We're not. Never mind. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's the mod. So it compares. It does do the div. I don't know that that matters. So I'm just going to do that and say return. Our return. What was it? HL mod A is less than B. Yes, that's it. Okay. Definitely a few calls to this. Check them out real quick, see if they all call C. Yep, good stuff. So where do we want to be? We want to be here. That one. Okay, okay. Then 5846. See. Okay, it doesn't look like HL's used, so we can. Well, yeah, we don't care. Okay. A equals RAM EA72. CB29. Okay, adds. Adds A to that. And then get selected monster address. Final under an HL. Okay, okay. Then we say A equals RAM HL. I wonder what the selected monster at this point is. Probably the egg, right? Still, I would hope. Oh yeah, it should be because we went to the start and it hasn't changed. So, alright, it did the selection at the start and it hasn't changed. So, loads that if A equals 3, return. Otherwise, MHL plus equals 1. So it does, this feels like a superfluous check here, but maybe if it's calling it multiple times or something. CB29 is the base resistances, I think. I thought I did that earlier. Okay. Well, XCB29 minus CAC1 is 68. Yep, that's the base of the resistances. Resistance. A dot resistances. Like that. That's essentially what it's doing. But we will figure that out in detail. Some detail in a bit. Right, well, it's figured out. Figure out how I want to implement it in Python. I mean, not figure out the code. We figured out the code. This resistances inheritance thing is insane, though. Let me tell you, it's so big. Lots of functions. Okay. Almost time for Kat to leave for her boring work. Yeah, it is. Okay, so then this 5 does with the same thing but with 2 8. Wait, what? 6th? 7th? One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, I think I'm... Where am I? What's going on? Hold on a second. Sixteen 442A. Yeah, okay, so that's actually 5. This is actually less than or equal to 4. And this is 6. Five, 8. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 5 and then 6. Okay, so there is no... This doesn't exist. Okay, cool. So the second path figured out. Write down this address is 4437. And then we can go back to here. This table is stuff and do these ones real quick. See how quick it is, I guess, but thinking it's the same sort of situation. Calls 58444 on 64 D8 DA77. But instead of 46C, it calls 481. To destination, and we can look at this one. It's very similar, it just does a comparison to 2 instead of 3. Four, 8, 1, 2. Otherwise, I think all of that is the same. It gets an address, loads that one, adds it up, selected monster, Retsy and KHL, yep. All the same except for that. Cool. The reference hierarchy, go to the first one. Okay, and then we do this and we say 1E. And then this is 0A, but then it does it again with 1E. You'd think it would just like, you know, jump up here. Okay, and this one does slightly differently because it does another call first. Okay, so this is a guaranteed increase of 1, and then does a conditional increase. Okay. Well, I think that's it for that function. We don't know what it means yet, but not entirely, because I need to figure out what these values are. But we'll do that tomorrow. So we got pretty far. We have some idea of what's going on. It seems to copy the base resistances for the egg, whatever the egg's monster is going to be, and then it goes through this function where it is adding these values and doing a crazy conditional map system to decide whether or not it's going to increase the resistances at all. And it does also confirm that the resistances are 0 through 3. And also that they can only go up and that it is deterministic. Unless these values are from a random number generator, I suppose. So good info. Not fully done yet, but pretty close. We'll do more of that tomorrow, and then move on to figure out what what the rest of this next stuff does. Yeah. Alright, see you guys tomorrow. Same time, same place, same thing. Thanks for coming. Bye bye. Have a good day.